What is the difference? I'm sorry. What is the differential cost of producing product D? So all I'm looking for is the differential cost. I'm not looking for the differential revenue. I'm not looking for the differential profit. They didn't ask me for that. All they've asked me for was the differential cost. Okay? So now that I have my mind wrapped around that, I'm going to be looking at the cost. I can read. Partridge Company can further produce product J to produce product D. Product J is currently selling at $21. Sales price irrelevant, and a cost of $15.75. So that's my current cost per pound to produce. Product D will sell for $37. Irrelevant. They're not asking me for selling information, and would require an additional $9.25 to produce. So that's my answer. $9.25. All they asked me for was the differential cost. The cost to produce the prior product is the sunk cost that's already there. They're only asking for the differential. Now, what would we do if it said, instead of differential cost, it said differential revenue? All right, let's take a look at that. If instead it said revenue. Well, now I'm going to be concerned about what's the difference in my revenue. I'm going to take the revenue of J, and that was $21. Okay. My revenue of D is $37. So what's my differential? $16. So that's my differential revenue of the two. All right? Let's go one step farther. Let's say, what would be the differential profit? Now we've got to consider all the numbers. So let's start over again. I'm going to erase this. And it says profit instead of cost. What's the differential profit? I'm going to look at the differential revenues and the differential costs. So my revenue, as we saw a moment ago, 37, and 21, which was 16. So I have differential revenue increasing of $16. I have differential costs. Okay, my cost was on the original product $15.75. Now I'm going to have a cost which is $15.75 plus the 9. I guess I can just add that together, can't I? Gee whiz. Whole new concept. So we add these together, and my differential cost is going to be $25, it looks like, if my math is correct. Right? Oh, my differential revenue is $9.25. Sorry. My differential cost is $9.25. So my differential profit, subtracting that, looks like $6.75 would be my differential profit.